Good day, this is our video lesson 1.1 and our topic is about direct variation. You, as a learner, need to illustrate situations that involve direct variation. So let's define first what is direct variation. It is a mathematical relationship between two variables in which one variable changes, the other variable changes proportionally, and the ratio between the two variables remains constant. Let's discuss further the direct variation for you to understand. So for example, we have two variables, and that is variable A and variable B. Variable A is the dependent variable and variable B is the independent variable. In direct variation, if variable B increases, variable A must also increase. Moreover, if variable B decreases, variable A will also decrease. The constant in direct variation, the ratio of dependent variable and independent variable. In mathematical symbol, the constant of variation is denoted by K is equal to the dependent variable A over the independent variable B. Direct variation is commonly encountered in many real-life situations such as distance and time, cost and quantity, speed and time, and many others. So let's see some examples of real-life application of direct variation. The first one is the number of hours work and the amount of salary earned. Kung ikaw ay magtatrabaho ng mas mahabang oras like 8 hours, ikaw ay makakakuha ng mas malaking salary. Pero kung ikaw ay magtatrabaho ng half day lang, ay magiging half lang ang amount na kikitain mo sa araw na yon. Okay? Understood? Another example is the speed of a car and the distance traveled in a certain amount of time. Kung ang sasakyan ay mabilis, mahaba ang distance na iyong matatravel. Pero kung ang sasakyan ay mabagal ang pagpapatakbo, maikli lang din yung distance na mararating niya in a certain amount of time. Pareha sila na nagde-decrease. Same lang sila ng direction. Another real-life example is the total cost of filling up a car with gas and the number of gallons of gasoline. So in our example, Shell fuel save cost 71.25 per gallon. Kung siya ay magpapagasolina ng full tank, mag-i-increase kaya yung babayaran niya? Of course, at yan ang direct variation. Next is the cost of vegetables and its weight. So alam naman natin sa palengke, sa tindahan ng mga pagkain, na kapag mas mabigat, ay mas mahal. So kung ang buyer ay namili ng malaking vegetable, of course, mas mahal ang kanyang presyo. Pero kung namili lang siya ng maliit na vegetable, mas mura ang kanyang presyo. Kung papansinin nyo, kung ang weight ng vegetable ay mag-i-increase din yung babayaran natin. Pero kung ang weight niya ay mababa din ang cost ng vegetable. Another real-life example is the number of selling products and the amount of profit. Of course, kung marami siyang mabebenta, mas malaki yung kikitain niyang tubo. Pero, kung hindi siya makabenta, wala din siyang kikitain. So, yung dalawang variable na yan ay parehas ang direction. Parehas silang mag-i-increase or parehas silang magde-decrease. Based on our discussion, what other real-life examples of direct variation you have in mind? Write it in your notebook. Thank you.